Hello Earth sign. Start na natin ang reading. So this is for Earth sign, Sun, Moon, Rising. Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Wait lang guys. Kalimutan ko pala mag-cleanse muna. So mag-cleansing muna ako para matanggal yung mga negative energy. So pakihinaan na lang ang volume guys kasi medyo magiging maingay ito. So pakihinaan na lang. Okay. Personal reading, Jing Tarot Trader. Paki-search na lang siya sa Facebook. And kung gusto mo, pwede kang follow din sa akin sa TikTok, Unicorn Princess Tarot. Ayan. Doon sa akin TikTok shop, doon mo ma-avail yung mga product na ginagawa namin, yung mga accessories. Kung gusto mo magpa-personal reading ng palm, yung palmistry, mabasahan kita ng pala, doon sa akin TikTok shop, meron akong mga particular bracelets na pwede mong mabili siya na may kasama siyang personal reading. Ayan. Check mo na lang mga crystal bracelets yan. Let's start. This is for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Ano yung messages for Earth sign, please? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. One last shuffle. Messages for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Thank you, spirit guides, angel guides. Let's start your reading. Earth sign, yan. Meron ka ditong family, and you do have here facade. So, for some of you, hindi ka nagiging open. Either yung pamilya mo ay ibang paniniwala or iba yung nakikita nila sa'yo. So, pwedeng hindi ka nagiging open sa kanila. You're not being honest. You do have your Ace of Wands. So, this is fire energy. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Wait lang guys. Okay, sorry about that. So, you do have your home. Ayan. And then, with this Ace of Wand, okay, that is fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Nakakita tayo dito ng maybe medyo may mga actions kang ginawa or ginagawa na pwedeng hindi makita or hindi alam ng pamilya mo or hindi nila alam itong kung ano man itong nilalakbay or tinatahak mo ngayon. You're trying to hide something. Maybe ikaw ay nahihiya or natatakot. Pwedeng hindi mo kayang maging vulnerable sa kanila. No? And I feel like may mga bagay na hindi ka inaasahan na mangyayari. So, whatever this new beginning is, pwedeng gusto mo tahakin mo lang ito ng mag-isa. Okay? And, more messages for fire sign. For earth sign. So, I just saw fire sign. So, I don't know if you're dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. For earth sign, please. For earth sign. Sana makuha ko energy mo, ha. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, hindi to para sa'yo. May mga taong nangangailangan na messages na ito. Hayaan mo yung mga messages na yun para sa kanila. Huwag may pilit ang sarili mo, okay? Huwag may pilit sarili mo. You do have here apology. Freedom. Reunion. One more card. Message and dreams. Unity is here. So, I feel like, itong situation mo ngayon ay nagtuturo or tumutulong para ikaw ay, mas lalong mag-grow sa, sa sarili mo and mas mag-evolve kumbaga. Mas maging magaling, maging mas mautak or mas madisiplina pagdating sa iyong actions, sa paggawa ng mga actions mo. May mga bagay kang ginagawa or ginawa na parang kinakatakutan mo pero hindi, sige, pinush mo. And now, you don't know how to get out. Pwedeng ganun. Sa situation, I feel like yung iba sa inyo, nag-take ka ng risk sa something na hindi ka ready and now, hindi ka masyado nag-isip mabuti. It's like masyado kang nagpakampante. Reunion is here, so I feel like there's someone in the past who will give you a message, no? Magbibigay siya ng mensahe for you. And what is the message here? Ano yung message dito? There's a message mula sa past energy. Binibigay sa'yo. And you do have your growth. And I feel like itong person na ito is, you do have your reflection or projections. So, I'm seeing the word twin flame. So, this could be a twin flame connection for some of you. So, may nakita tayong message mula dito sa iyong twin flame or a past person coming or paparating itong messages na ito. But, kahit kasi anong pilit mo or pigil mo sa situation ninyo na hindi mangyari or what, or walang mangyari, etc., something is really going to happen. And hindi mo yun mapipigilan. If this person is meant na magkaroon ng reunion or pagbabalik sa inyo, things will happen. No? And hindi mo man gusto yung paraan ng pagbalik nitong person na ito. But I feel like a past person is coming back. Hindi mo man gusto yung nagiging paraan ng pagbalik niya sa buhay mo. Wala kang magagawa. Ibabalik siya sa'yo because may mga kailangan mangyari, may mga kailangan gawain, and hindi mo yun kayang pigilan. And hindi man maganda yung situation mo during this time. You're not ready. Sabihin na natin ganun with the reflection kasi you see yourself, hindi ka pa ready. Pag bumalik tong taon to, you're not ready. You don't know kung paano siya harapin. Hindi mo alam kung paano i-accept or hindi mo alam kung tatanggapin, etc. May mga ganong energy. Pero, ready or not, this person is coming back. Ganun yung energy. Ready or not, this person is coming back. Masyado kasi nagpo-focus sa sarili mo, tinitignan mo, hindi ka pa ready kasi ganto ka pa, ganto ganyan. So, nakikita mo yung situation mo na itong taong to hindi pwede bumalik sa buhay ko kasi kailangan ko munang, kailangan ko muna ayusin sa sarili ko, magpaganda, maganto, ganyan. 'Di ba? Oo, mapapatawa ka na lang, iniisip mo bakit nga ba ako nagpapapayat, bakit nga ba ako nagpapaganda, nagpapapogi. Iisipin mo para sa sarili mo 'yun, pero yung totoo niyan, just in case bumalik yung person mo, ready ka. Pero sa ngayon, maybe hindi pa nangyayari yung mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo. Yung iba nagpapayaman, ano? So, kung magpayaman para just in case bumalik yung taong to, makikita niya, huyo siya, ganun. Pero hindi, yung iba sa inyo, kahit wala kang choice, kahit hindi ka ready, babalik siya eh. Ano gagawin mo? Diba? Hindi mo na siya pwedeng itulak palayo. The way I see this is that you're avoiding something to happen. Pero, eventually, it will happen. Katulad nga ng autumn. You know, where autumn, it's like a season. Pag sinabi nating season, panahon, di ba? Panahon ng halimbawa, taglagas. Wala kang magagawa, panahon ng taglagas talagang dapat tanggalin muna yung mga dapat tanggalin. No? Tanggalin muna. Pag natanggal yan, of course, masakit. Anong susunod? Winter. Masakit. Pwedeng dumating sa point na ikaw ay umiyak, masaktan, hindi mo alam gagawin mo. Gusto mong mag-hibernate, gusto mong magtago, gusto mong lumayo, because you don't know what to do. Diba? Pero, tell me about this in the near future for Earth sign. What will happen in the near future for Earth sign? Sana nagigets mo yung messages, ha? Kasi ako, kung ano yung mga nakikita ko, yun yung binabanggit ko sa'yo. Hindi ko alam kung paano yun resonate sa sitwasyon mo ngayon, but hopefully, nakukuha mo. You do have here, release, surrender. You need to surrender. You need to release. Tanggalin mo yung pangamba. Tanggalin mo yung pangamba. No? Go with the flow. Diba? Tell me about this. Deception is here, so tell me about the deception. Rebirth. Renewal is here, spark, and moon and rejection. Autumn is here, so be careful sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na inilalaban mo. Maybe, sabi ko nga, hayaan mo na lang. Kung nawala na, natapon na, wag mo nang kunin. Some of you, may mga bagay na nawala, may mga natapon, may mga umalis. Could be a person, maybe material things na nawala sa'yo. Hayaan mo na lang. That is the main messages here. Because in the future, there's deception. Maybe, tuwan-tuwa yung mga tao pag nakikita nila na pinipilit mo pa, parang ganun, makuha yung mga imposible nang makuha. It's like, think of this as like a water na sayang, nawala, pero hindi mo na pwedeng madampot pa. Okay? Especially, the release is here. So, in the future, there's things or mga tao or mga bagay na pwedeng mawala sa'yo. Like a water, matatapon, but wala ka na magagawa doon. All you have to do is release. Hayaan mo na lang. Go with the flow. Stop. Huwag mo nang ilaban. Ayun. And because there's a lot here, a lot of things going here with the shadow side. Malakas yung iyong pakiramdam. There's a sign of you will feel broken. So, maaaring ikasakit mo. Or pwedeng masakit para sa iyo kung ano man ito. But with the autumn is here and harvest. It feels like after this, there's this harvest. So, ano to? Clarify the harvest, please. There's awakening. So, I feel like may mga bagay kang makukuha. And I feel like that is something to do with your happiness. Makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Or something new is about to something new is about to happen. Comfort zone is here, and you do have your clinging. Clarify this, please. Spring. Ito na. Tagsibol. Diba? And ito na yung There's a new beginning here in the near future for you. So kung ano man yung mga mawawala, hayaan mo na, may bagong dadating. And you do have your faith. And it's like, pwedeng nawala yan sa'yo kasi dapat lang siyang mawala. Like, pwedeng the universe, sila na mismo yung nag-alis sa'yo sa mga bagay na pinipilit mo or nilalaban mo. Parang ganon. And you do have here rebirth and renewal. So, there's a new beginning in the near future for you. There's a new beginning for you. You do have your Mercury, messages and travel, communication. Someone is like with the air sign energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, is maybe malayo na pwedeng nagdadalawang isip, pero I feel like hindi lang siya makapag-decision in the past, pero ngayon parang decided na siya. I can see in the near future ang message mula dito sa taong ito. This person is going to open up something. Madalang magpakita itong ancestor guides. Sa card na ito, madalang itong magpakita. So, this could be your person na madalang magpakita, madalang mag-message, madalang magpapansin, etc. Na pwedeng in the near future is like will help you. Ayan, nakikita ko ito as help. Like, can you see this person? This one is you, na parang you're not okay, you're not happy, you're sitting down, you have a lot of regrets, ang dahil pinagdadaanan. And then, can you see the hand? Ayan, it's like reaching out. Let me help you. So, may ganong energy. And this is Venus sign, which is an offer. So, I feel like some of you, maybe you are a Virgo, especially this is an earth sign, or meron kang Virgo sa iyong chart, sa inyong chart. Check your natal chart. And ito na, there's a new person who is decided already, nakapag-decide na siya. Na this is the party, but for now, nakikita ko ito as a 3 of Cups. So, pwedeng, there's a person na parang would like to have a reunion, reconciliation with you. And nakita tayo ng mensahe mula dito sa taong to. Napakadalang, no? Napakadalang magpaparamdam or magbigay ng assistance, but eventually it will happen. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.